Studying abroad may be a life-changing experience that broadens your horizons while also providing you with significant academic and personal skills. However, with so many institutions around the world, choose which one to attend might be difficult. We'll walk you through the process of selecting the best university for your study abroad experience in this article. We will demonstrate how to select the best university for your study abroad experience. Determine your academic objectives and interests. Determining your academic goals and interests is an important step in selecting the best university for study abroad. This approach entails reflecting on your own goals, such as the subjects that interest you, the degrees you aim to obtain, and the job prospects you wish to pursue. This allows you to focus your search to institutions that offer programs that fit with your academic goals. For example, if you are interested in business and want to become an entrepreneur, you should look into institutions that offer courses in entrepreneurship or business management. Similarly, if you enjoy art and want to pursue a career in creative writing, you should look into universities with respected creative writing programs. In addition to your academic interests, you should evaluate how studying abroad can help you reach your long-term goals. Studying abroad can provide you with unique cultural experiences, language skills, and international connections, all of which can help you stand out to potential employers. It is critical to select a university that can help you achieve both academic and personal goals while also providing an environment that promotes growth and development. Language, culture, and location. The location of the university where you study abroad might have a big impact on your whole experience. When choosing a university, consider the location and whether the country, region, or city is favorable to your particular tastes, hobbies, and lifestyle. If you prefer winter sports and outdoor activities such as skiing, for example, universities in mountainous areas such as Colorado, Switzerland, Canada, or Japan may be great for you. Similarly, if you enjoy beaches and mild weather, universities in coastal places such as California, Australia, or Thailand may appeal to you. Another important factor to consider while selecting a university for study abroad is culture. Each country or region has its own distinct culture, traditions, customs, and values. To guarantee that the culture of the location where the university is located matches with your particular tastes, it is critical to conduct research and learn about it. Explore the local cuisine, music, art, festivals, and social customs. When choosing an institution for study abroad, language is also an important issue to consider. If you are traveling to a place where the major language is not your native language, you should consider enrolling in university language courses or taking language classes before you leave. This might make it easier to manage daily life and immerse oneself in the local culture. Finally, the location of the university can have an impact on your housing and transportation costs. When budgeting for your study abroad program, it is critical to include these fees. The cost of living in a large metropolis, such as London or New York, may be significantly higher than in smaller towns or rural locations. You should also evaluate whether public transportation is available or whether you need to buy a car or bike to get about. Accreditation and reputation. The reputation and accreditation of the institution are significant variables to consider while selecting a university for study abroad. The reputation of a university can influence how future employers see your degree as well as the quality of education you receive while studying. Consider investigating an institution's ranking in several worldwide university rankings, such as the QS World Institution Rankings or the Times Higher Education Rankings, to evaluate its reputation. These rankings assess colleges using a variety of criteria, including academic reputation, research output, student-to-faculty ratio, and employer reputation. Another important factor to consider while choosing a study abroad destination is accreditation. Accreditation is the process by which independent agencies review a university's academic programs to ensure that they fulfill worldwide quality standards. Accredited universities demonstrate that their academic programs have been assessed and have met stringent academic excellence standards. Attending an authorized university might provide you peace of mind that your education will be of high quality and acknowledged by other educational institutions and employers. Furthermore, accreditation may be required if you intend to continue your education after completing your degree or if you wish to transfer credits gained during your study abroad experience to another institution. When assessing a university's reputation, it's also important to evaluate alumni success stories. Alumni who have achieved success in their various industries can attest to the institution's educational quality. Investigating noteworthy university alumni can help you get a sense of the options open to graduates and the potential benefits of attending that specific college. Considerations for money. Financial concerns are an important component of selecting the correct university for study abroad programs. Studying abroad can be expensive, so consider how you will pay for your education and living expenses. Here are some important variables to consider. To begin, look at the tuition and fees of the universities you want to attend. This information is frequently available on their website or by contacting their admissions office. Remember that the cost will vary depending on the program, degree level, and resident status. Second, think about how much it would cost to live in the country or city where the university is located. This includes rent, food, transportation, and other costs. You can investigate the cost of living by using online tools such as Numbeo, which compares the cost of living in various places across the world. Understanding the cost of living can assist you in estimating your overall budget and ensuring that you can live comfortably while studying abroad. Third, investigate scholarships, grants, and other forms of financial assistance that may be available to you. Many colleges particularly offer scholarships to overseas students, and there are numerous external scholarships and grants available from organizations and foundations that promote study abroad programs. Investigate these opportunities early in the planning phase to ensure you have enough time to apply. It is critical to develop a budget that details all of your anticipated expenses and sources of revenue throughout your study abroad adventure. Be honest with yourself about your money, and account for unexpected charges such as medical problems or flight delays. A solid budget plan can help you stay on track financially and make the most of your study abroad experience without stress. Services for students on campus. For international students, selecting a university with comprehensive campus support services is crucial. Studying abroad may be intimidating and difficult, and having access to tools and assistance can help to ease the transition. When selecting an institution for study abroad, consider the following campus support services. Language classes are one of the most significant services provided by universities. If you are studying in a nation where the primary language is not your native language, you may want additional language assistance to effectively communicate. To assist students in improving their language skills, several colleges provide language courses, tutors, language exchange programs, and discussion partners. Tutoring is also essential for academic achievement. Universities frequently feature tutoring or writing facilities where you can get additional assistance with coursework, assignments, or exam preparation. These materials can be especially beneficial if you're having difficulty with a specific subject or adjusting to a new academic system. Another vital support function that universities should provide is mental health care. Studying abroad can be stressful, so having access to mental health specialists who can give counseling or treatment is essential. Look for universities with counseling facilities or mental health clinics where you can get help and advice. Cultural events and orientation programs can assist you in acclimating to your new surroundings and meeting other international students. Many institutions host cultural events, workshops, and trips that allow you to immerse yourself in the local culture while also connecting with other students on campus. Another crucial thing to consider while selecting a university for study abroad is housing support. Some colleges provide on-campus housing for overseas students, while others may help them find off-campus lodging. Look for universities with housing departments or counselors who can assist you in exploring your possibilities. Finally, make sure the university has an international student office that can help you during your study abroad experience. This office provides help with visas, immigration procedures, academic advising, and other administrative issues. The International Student Office can also be a helpful resource if you have any queries or concerns while studying abroad. Extracurricular activities and student life. It is critical to evaluate the student life and extracurricular activities available on campus while selecting an institution for study abroad. These activities can help you meet new people, discover new interests, and develop skills that will benefit your schooling and future employment possibilities. Here are some important variables to consider. To begin, look for clubs and organizations that share your interests and passions. Whether you enjoy sports, music, politics, or community service, there is almost certainly a club or organization for you. Joining these organizations can provide possibilities for leadership development, networking, and personal development. Second, think about joining the university's sports teams or fitness programs. Sports can be a great way to meet new people, keep active, and relax. Many universities have sporting facilities, gyms, fields, and courts where students can engage in a variety of sports and fitness activities. Third, seek for university volunteer opportunities or community service programs. Volunteering allows you to give back to your community while also developing key skills such as cooperation, problem-solving, and leadership. Social and cultural events can be a terrific way to meet new people and learn about the local culture. Look for institutions that have frequent activities like festivals, concerts, movie evenings, or food fairs where you may meet other students and learn about the local culture. Consider the student life and extracurricular activities offered on campus while choosing an institution for study abroad. You may extend your study abroad experience and create memorable experiences by joining groups, participating in sports, volunteering, and attending social events.